This is what we're going to be doing the tune-up on today, guys. Pretty excited about it. I'll show you what we're doing. We are going to do spark plugs and wires. I got new wires and I got new plugs, and I got the boots for these this time because see how I have them all mismatched, so they will not burn on the headers, because I was having issues the last time I did it. I had old wires, so that's how I got away with that. But you can't buy them like this unless you buy 2 sets, and I'm not buying 2 sets. So we got the actual heat protector boots that slide over these, the straight ones, so that these headers won't melt these anymore. So we're gonna do these plugs and wires, and then hopefully it's not the cap and rotor. I don't think it is. I just put that on last year, and then about springtime we're gonna end up doing the intake, because see, it's leaking, starting to seep here. You guys probably can't see, but back here there's some coolant laying in there. It's not a big deal. When we do that, we're gonna do the valve cover gaskets too, because I think them I had to put cork ones in here to get them to stop leaking on the headers, and I think they're finally about crushed as far as they can go. So that's what we're gonna do. So let's get into it. Alright, so we got one side done. I'll give you guys a look. This is what we were trying to do. Here's the nice new spark plug wires, and then we got these boots. Since I had to go to the straights, like I was saying, they touched the headers. These are supposed to stop them, but I basically got these for function. But after having them on, they look damn good. They look so good. So nice new wires, that's always good. They always look good. So this is actually what I'm doing. I did not buy pre-made plug wires. Here's the old ones and here's the new ones. You have to cut these to your length. I got these on purpose because I like mine a certain length. So you basically have to put the ends on them and crimp them. Maybe I'll show you guys how to do that. There's a couple right there, and then I got these 2, so 4 more and we're done. Don't worry about the toolkit. I'll tell you guys about that later. That's new, so I really like that thing. Well, we're done. Got this side all done. New plugs, new wires, got the cap on. This side is done too. I'm very excited about these heat shields, or these spark plug wires. I guess we're gonna see if they work. Give them a couple weeks of getting them hot. See if they work as well as they're supposed to. But look how good that looks. Don't mind the rest of the motor. It looks like crap. It's got antifreeze oil all over, some rust, but wires look good. Alright, so we're in the basement. I was telling you guys about the toolkit I bought. I want to show you guys. So it's right here behind me, if you can see that. So here it is right here. It's almost a 300 piece. It was wasn't really expensive. It wasn't like real cheap, but I got it at Lowe's. It's Craftsman, as you can see. But let me show you guys this up close. So this is it right here. Like I said, it's almost a 300. 298 piece. Came with 6-point, 12-point. I was excited about this. Also came with all 3 sizes of this. And then there was another thing right here. This is the reason I bought this kit right here. These ratchet wrenches. Because like Amazon had this same kit like in almost a 500 piece. But it came with a lot of this crap. Extras of this, and I don't need more of these. I need more stuff like this and this. And they also did not come with ratchet wrenches. These are expensive, so this is why I ended up buying this kit. In my area, this kit was like, I think with tax it was like $398 or $94. So to me it was worth it. It got me almost everything I need, at least to start, you know what I mean? It was a good start. So I'm gonna show you guys this real quick. So here's the sockets, guys. We got the 1/2 inch, and then we got the 3/8, and then we got the 1/4 up in here. So it came with quite a bit of sockets. This is freaking awesome. This made me really happy. I think as far as sockets, I'm almost covered, because like some of these, let's see if I can find some of these, they skip sizes. Maybe it's the wrenches where they skip, but sometimes like these won't come with like an 11. Or they'll skip, but this one pretty much covered all of it. So as far as sockets, I don't really need any unless we're talking impacts. I was super glad it came with these too. These are freaking nice. So these are the sockets. I'm really happy with these sockets so far. I'm really happy with the whole toolkit. I haven't even used it that much, to be honest with you, but I've used some of these tools in a garage. Let me show you guys what else it came with. This stuff. So here's your 3 different sizes. You got half, 3/8, and quarter. Then these are nice too. I'll show you these, guys. This right here, this is for all your little focus. No, this is for all your little ends here. And this is cool too because this came with the thing, so you can put it on sockets. So I can put a socket on this. How cool is that? And then this one is for the sockets, which is pretty cool. But it's nice to have the smaller and the bigger one. And then here's your Allen keys. And I'm assuming these are like freaking spark plug sockets. I'm assuming. I didn't read the box too much, to be honest with you, but I'm assuming that's what those are. That's what they look like, the ones I use. Then you got your little swivels. You got your little adapters. The swivels are nice. I want to get the ones that are like a ball joint, where the whole top just swivels all the way around. Those are nice. Extensions. I really like these ratchets. I want to get another ratchet. Where is, let's see if I can find it. This one right here. I use this ratchet a lot. As you can see, it's from Harbor Freight. It's not the best ratchet in the world. It's not the best, but I really like it. I kind of get weird about my ratchets. I do like these though. I do like these. These are nice. It's supposed to be like 72. What are they called? Spline or gear or something. Where is it? Right here. 72 tooth. There you go. So, guess those are good ones. I don't freaking know. They work good. I like them. And then this is what else it came with. Here's your ratchet wrenches. Which, did I put that lid on that? No, I did not. Alright. So here's your ratchet wrenches. These are the whole reason I bought these guys right here. These things are expensive. So that's why I bought these in a kit, and you can see the size they go from. You got quarter all the way to 5/16, and then over here you got what, 6 to 19? Yeah, see, the wrenches skip. You got 6 here, and then 8, and then 10. Where's my 9? Where's my 7? I don't like that. But like I said, some kits they'll skip the sockets, and they'll do this with the wrenches too. But no big deal. This setup, I know everybody's probably like, yo, his setup's terrible. This is just temporarily. I do not have organizers for this stuff yet. So everything's just kind of stacked. Like these guys are stacked. I'll stack them too, close the lid. And then I have this in a full drawer, and I have this here. And as you guys can see, I don't really have a lot of parts or a lot of tools yet. Working on it. So, but eventually what I'm going to do is put this up top here until I get a real toolbox. I use this guy. It's just like the Harbor Freight cart. That's about it. So I'm going to get the things where the sockets sit on for the organization. And then I want to get the ones that hold the wrenches and put them in there so this stuff doesn't take up as much space. But like I have a bunch of extras. These are ones someone gave me. They weren't in the full kits. And then I have this stuff too, which someone gave me these two, which, I mean, you can never have too many screwdrivers, but they make an organizer kit for this too that like they hang up here and you just slide everything in. I want to get them too. Got these little crimpers. So that's the toolkit, guys, though. So like I said, if you like it, you can get it. It's this one. I also got Craftsman because of the warranty, man. Take them back. I love Snap-on, but I can't afford them. It just ain't in my budget. So that's it on the tools. All right, so we talked about the tools. I showed you guys tools. I wanted to show you guys that. Let's get back to Blue because she's not really fixed. So I'll show you what we did. So I plugged the wires on like I said, and they look good. They look awesome. These so far seem to be working. These look good. I wish I had made them a little bit longer. What's actually wrong with her, because I fired her up and she's not running right still, is this distributor and cap. I need to put a new distributor and cap on it because the cap inside is rusted and corroded. It's still not firing right, so I'm gonna have to get a cap and get a rotor. And then next video I do on this, because I don't have time to do it now, I'll show you guys the new cap on it, and then we'll get it fired up and get a good sound on it. Hear it running good, because right now she's not happy. she's just not happy. So, but for this video, we did get this done. I'm pretty happy with it. I can't wait to run these for a while and see how these hold up, see how long they last. So it'll take a while to get a verdict on that. So, but yeah, guys, that's gonna be it for this. I hope you guys enjoyed us working on Blue. Even though she ain't running yet, but trust me, you guys will get to hear it run. I promise. So catch you in the next video.